So I really welcome everyone and congratulate on coming on this rainy day, and I believe it's really a good opportunity today because you can't go outside. Maybe you can with umbrella, but we are going to give some tips that you cannot find anywhere on Google, on YouTube. There are special tips that I'm going to give that is not on a list. Don't tell Irina. So why I call myself not only interior designer, but interior design therapist, because I don't want to say heal or cure spaces, but I take in consideration the planetary and star placements. And first of all, I would like to ask, who believes that the sun rises every morning and then it goes down at night, and then moon takes over and shines entire night? So also, who believes that the moon really affects our emotions, especially on a full moon? And this week on the 7th, we are going to have a full moon, and then watch what is going to happen. So in the designs or decor, actually with the decor, you can fix your places if the design was made incorrectly. So rule number 1 for good design and decor is to clean, declutter, and to allow a good free energy flow. If you have cluttered space with a lot of decor, you cannot see your favorite piece, you cannot see that piece that you bought. So it's really good in good design and successful to use your decorative talents to remove, to change. If you really love, if you have, let's say, a lot of Venus energy in yourself, just keep changing in seasons. The Christmas came, you maybe place green, red, gold, silvers. Also, there is fashion for that too. And you can keep changing, but a good rule of thumb is to decorate everything in threes. If we have a book, a candle, and maybe some greenery, maybe a flower or something. So then another really, really important point in decorating spaces, to have first a good basic, a good foundation. And what is good foundation is a good design, that you don't really need that much decor when you have a good design done. And what is a good design? To use more or less a flowing colors in entire space. Not to go like every room different color, but what you can do, you can change the moods in the rooms using the colors of decor. If your room is like, if you have a basic color, let's say designer's gray, which is one of the basics from Deluxe, then let's say in South, which is ruled by planet Mars, which I said, believe it or not, planets affect us, is red color. And people who are born on day 9 or day 18, their direction is south. So take that direction.